Mistakes have been made. Okay, so I'm gonna get this out of the way now. I recently watched a bunch of other YouTubers who post different content, specifically art channels, by the way, who post different content outside of just artwork on their YouTube channels, reveal that they've recently either been getting shadow banned or the YouTube algorithm has almost been penalizing them for not posting art related content anymore, almost like YouTube doesn't know what to do with their content, so they've stopped doing it. And of course, this guy has recently been posting gaming content on here because as frequently as I play video games in my spare time, if I get a break, I'll just post the content on my channel. I've been doing this for about maybe 3 months now. Well, not anymore. I don't need to have the last thing I need with this channel is it getting tampered with the shadow ban. So I'm no longer posting gaming content on this YouTube channel. However, what I have now done is I've started a gaming channel. So I don't know how I specifically started. I said when I did my first video on the channel with gaming that I wasn't gonna make a gaming channel, and here I am. I don't know why I say things, but there's a link in the description to my gaming channel and the gaming videos that I've posted on this one. I've started to go about already posting them on there, and then I'll have new content from time to time. I guess as I play stuff, I'll just post it on there. I don't know. Now, what's currently playing on the screen is a painting that I just did of Ryu from Street Fighter. The actual sketch that I used was from my Inktober sketch of Ryu. I've been trying to, as best I can, figure out different ways to sort of shade my artwork, just different type of coloring and painting techniques. And I've really gotten, I think after the Black Goku painting that I did a couple months back, I've really wanted to have a more stylized, cartoony look to my artwork, and I've also been practicing a lot more with drawing forms and poses. I'm not necessarily sticking with just anatomy, though I've been practicing that as well because I need to get better at it, but I've been trying to get better at drawing forms and getting my shading a little bit down pat, and it's, at least in my opinion, it's starting to improve my artwork a lot. And the method in which I color my paintings now have changed up. I'm not just using regular blacks and whites and changing the opacity to actually shade my artwork. I'm actually trying to choose the correct colors to use for shadows and highlight, which is a process in and of itself. But I don't know why I chose this particular painting of Ryu to start this off with, or not picture of Ryu. I don't know why I chose to paint Ryu when I did. I guess I just grabbed something and chose to practice with that. A couple of days ago, I guess this is why I didn't start with Ryu. I actually started with Perfect Cell. I worked on that a few days ago. I did a live stream of it. Not sure if anybody saw it because apparently YouTube notifies none of my subscribers when I do a live stream. So it would be nice if I started making announcements for that, but it's so spur of the moment. But in any event, I'll probably just post speed paintings of both that and the Ryu one if no one sees these videos, because like I said, a lot of craziness is now going on with my YouTube channel because of the gaming stuff. I also find that ironic. It would be common sense that YouTube wouldn't know what to do with any of my content if I started posting gaming stuff. I don't know why I never thought about that before. But anyways, I did the Perfect Cell one and I liked how that one came out. And then I did this Ryu one, though I'm not gonna lie, I kind of got lazy towards the end, and the painting of Ryu's stage from Street Fighter 2 I just sort of slapped in the background just because I got tired and I wanted a background in the back of it, and then that one fits. And the other color choice that I made while painting this, which you've probably seen at this point in the video if I sped it up, is I changed Ryu's look. I think I've drawn Ken and Ryu about 1,000,000 times at this point, and I paint them the same each time. Rather than give Ryu the red headband and the blood-soaked headband and the white gi, I changed it up and gave him his alternate color. I think it's the blue and gold one. Now, honestly, I like the alternates better. Just like the blue and the purple Ken outfits, I think I've played the most with in Street Fighter 2 instead of just the normal red and black one, just because I don't remember which button to press to get his normal outfit. So I played with it a lot and I like him at this point. But I really like the blue and gold Ryu one, so I switched it up and started painting with that instead. Then it was picking the white color. I don't normally color like this because, as I said before, I just switch the opacity and just start painting with the black or white. and going from there. So actually picking the colors has been kind of strange, but I used 2 different, I guess, shades of light blue for the really small light accent on the edge of the clothing, and then the other one on the actual gi itself, and then just did different ones for his skin tones as well. I think I used 2 different, maybe 3 or 4 different tones total for his skin tones. I'm not really sure. I think it is 3. It was the base, the 2 shadow ones, and then the 2 light ones. So yeah, just a lot of experiment with my artwork, trying to find different ways to paint and make my stuff pop out. And I'm also starting to do that in my comic. Speaking of which, if anybody doesn't know, I actually have chapters 1 and 2 in a bundle just for $2 for sale on gumroad.com. You can get a digital download of it. Pretty soon I will also have chapter 3 available. I'll talk about that at a later date when I get to it, but it should be in the next couple of weeks. But right now I'm currently working on chapter 4. I'll probably have more live painting of my webcomics in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. I still have more paintings and more drawing related stuff to work on and do and show you guys. And like I said, I also just started the gaming content. If you came here to this channel looking for that, you can just go and watch over there. But that's about it for today. I'm gonna figure out what I'm about to start working on next. Keep creating, and so you all have a good one, and I'm out.